Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another balloon hunting at Dollar Tree. Now, I'm just kidding. I'm actually gonna come here and check for any Hot Wheels or Matchbox. So coming down the aisle, I noticed there was some Matchbox, no more Hot Wheels, but there's a bunch of tracks over here. So I can only do some hunting on the Matchbox because the pegs seem kind of empty. You can see that on the left side. But let's take a look. Here's I guess an airport cargo truck kind of vehicle. So it looks like I've seen this line before. There's that white Alfa Romeo and then the black Subaru Sambar. So if you haven't got one of those trucks, it looks like it's coming to Dollar Trees. And here's a Buick Skylar convertible, a classic vehicle that if you guys like classic, American cars, they are coming out here in Matchbox. There's a Mazda 3 and another Alfa Romeo, and then the black Mercedes AMG GT. Pretty cool vehicle. Let's see. There's that Mazda CX-3, I believe. There's an armored truck. Another Mazda 3. I'm dropping Matchbox, even though there isn't very many on the pegs. I still happen to drop one down, and I'm going to put it back up for them. Another Mazda, a Nissan hardbody in this kind of like teal color. More of those cargo trucks. And there's that Mazda CX-3, Subaru Sambar, hardbody. So it looks like somebody's actually gone around and looked at some of them. Here's that Subaru SVX that I grabbed the other day. So it's a pretty neat vehicle. Put this back up for someone who wants to collect that. And I noticed over here, they have these plastic cases. And it looks like it's actually for like vehicles, like maybe a Matchbox or Hot Wheels that you've opened up. And then it looks like it can hold like Lego figures too. So it looks pretty neat. And let's take a look on the back, what they say here. So they're interlocked, so they actually can connect to each other, and they have holes for you to put screws through to mount it on the wall if you wanted to. So that's interesting. I've never bought a case actually for my opened Hot Wheels or Matchbox. So I wonder if this is actually a good one. Looks like it's pretty empty over here. Somebody's grabbed a bunch of these already. So I wonder if these are good. Have you guys bought these things? Do you guys have any suggestions or any comments about these kind of cases? And I also noticed over here, these are those flip cars. Actually saw this first time at Target about a year ago. And I actually have a review of a bunch of them on my channel if you want to check it out. And let me do a quick kind of transformation for you guys of what these vehicles are. So this one's already been untabbed. But basically, there's 3 tabs that you untab, and then you flip it around just like that. And then let's look on the bottom to show you. So there's a tab right there, and then a tab on the sides, and you lock them in, and it becomes a certain vehicle. And this one is like a tour bus, where it has like seats on the top. So they got different versions on both sides. So let's try to do it reverse and show you. So it's locked in, so you press on the tab. And I actually am doing it with one hand, so it's not too tough to do it. And you just flip it. It's pretty easy. And then on the back is the last tab, and you flip it over. And then you get the base, that black part right here, and you just kind of pop it off. And it basically, just flip around onto the top of the vehicle. And let's see if I can put it down. There's a tag. If you buy it, you can probably you'll remove the tag, and it will be easier to transform. But it's a pretty neat vehicle. See, you can just like tab them back in. And I think kids will like it. And I think it's kind of really ingenious on how they made this. This one turned into a school bus. So pretty cool toy. There are other versions of it right here. There's a kind of like a fire truck. And there's a police car over here. So if you guys are into these kind of things, looks like they're coming out in Dollar Tree, and maybe kids, if you have any kids, these are pretty cool too. Something fun and entertaining for them. So I think I'm going to grab this container and probably do a review on it later. And what do you guys think of all these tracks that they're bringing out? It looks like they used to have straight tracks, but now they got curved tracks, launch tracks, ramp tracks. I've never bought them, so I'm not sure how good the quality is of these things. I've never built a track, so Looks like they're just bringing a lot of tracks, more than Hot Wheels or Matchbox. But I guess I'm gonna get this case and probably do a review later and show you guys what I think about it. But remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.